If you manage finances, you know there's a difference between an available balance and a spendable balance. Your available balance includes all the funds currently in your account. Your spendable balance reflects your pending payments and transfers that have not hit your ledger balance yet. Pinnacle Online Banking can help you track your spendable balance so you don't overcommit your funds. And it's easy. When you log in, you'll see a Spendable Balance widget on the top right. If it's not there, simply click on Manage Widgets to activate it. And you can deactivate it the same way. Click on What's My Spendable Balance? This shows you your available balance in your primary checking account, then automatically shows you any upcoming transactions you have scheduled through Pinnacle Online Banking. You can choose the date range for these upcoming transactions. You'll see a subtotal, Money to Avoid Spending, which is editable. So if you have a check outstanding for $200 or another charge you know is coming, you can add it here, and it will be reflected in the total balance below. Your total subtracted balance is deducted from primary checking to give you the My Spendable Balance, which shows what you have left to spend. You can also see the My Spendable Balance for any other accounts you have by clicking on Change and selecting a different account. It's important to note that My Spendable Balance is just a guideline. You still have access to your entire available balance. Also, since you set your own limits, the My Spendable Balance may not include all payments and transfers you have committed from the account, such as a check you have written that has not yet shown up as pending. But your spendable balance can be a valuable tool to manage your money and give you peace of mind.